Hi there. In this video, we will cover returns. Hover over the Jobs tab here and click Purchase Orders. The status here at the top is automatically set to Created and Sent. We want to look at goods received only, so let's filter by this here in the drop-down. When viewing a purchase order with the status of Good Received, there will be a Create Return option at the top. Next, we can select which product from the purchase order needs to be returned via the tick box on the left-hand side. It will reference the product number, description, quantity, return quantity, cost price, line cost, and stock options. The stock options drop-down will allow you to select if you'd like to defer the return to be compiled at a later date or time. Once we've selected what needs to be returned, we can add any notes for the supplier below and click Create Return. We can now see the Return Details page, with the download option in the top right. If we'd like to print the PDF of the return, this will also reference the supplier invoice first entered on the original purchase order. Once this product has been credited, you can fill in the details at the bottom of the page. We can select how many items were returned, the price excluding and including VAT, the credit reference, and credit date. Once you've entered this information, ensure you click Save Return. To manage returns in general, hover over the Jobs tab and select Supplier Returns. We can now search returns through various filters, such as Return Status, Date Credited, or even Supplier. They will display below and can be edited on the right-hand side. Additionally, you can submit all previously deferred returns by supplier and compile them into bigger returns to manage them more efficiently. Hit the Submit Deferred Returns option in the top right. Here we can see different products in which the return creation has been deferred. Now, as a result of that, we can create a compiled return for all products that need to go back to this supplier. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, feel free to visit our Help Center to reach out to our support team. We're always here to help.